Let's take a spin and see what we're going to talk about today. Spin AI generator. I can't believe it chose that. I can relate this to YouTube two different ways. The first one is the magic right. You'll go to docs, then you can go to doc again, and you can click this little plus sign and click magic right. Use your brain a little bit. So we're going to come up with 10 YouTube titles for 2023 planning. We're going to try that out and see what it will spit out for me.
Did you touch on manually review and edit?
Even though it says 2021, make 2023 count, how to set achievable goals for 2023. So I would probably manually review and edit these, but this is an excellent feature. Claire and I did a live stream where we talked about this feature. What Claire and I did was go through this and talk about some of the things, including why you need to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to have more search options. We're just going to grab a blank Instagram post so that I can show you another cool AI feature, and it's called text to image. If it's not on your left hand panel, there's something over here on the left hand side called apps, and you can create, or you can click this and it will pop up on the left hand side. And then you can describe an image, and you can use these images in different things, such as B-roll for your YouTube videos. Describe the image that you want to see, and then you choose your style. I also have a great video on this. I will leave a link for both the Magic Write video and the text to image video. I will leave those in the description of this. And the fun thing about it is that if I look at the info page, it will tell me what the keyword was that I used for it. But it gives you a really cool way to think outside the box. So if someone were doing a video on how to make mashed potatoes, they could get an AI image and look at it and then plate their thumbnail the same way. The question that Parody Pug Gaming has is text to image a member thing, or can you do it cheap? So text to image is free. However, well, now my keyboard's not working. The tech gremlins are out to get me. You are limited in how many images you can generate. This says that you can create up to 24, like search 24 times. I believe that that's been increased to more than 24 times. I believe that it was increased to 100, but I'm not 100% sure. The Magic Write free users can generate up to 25 searches over their lifetime, but Canva Pro members can generate up to 75 searches every month. So I see that Parody Pug Gaming was really interested in styles. It kind of helps me because I can use templates to show styles. Let's just search thumbnails, and we're going to grab a template. Let's go here. When you're looking at designs, like this design tab, by the way, design used to be called templates. It's now called design. There's a template tab, but there's also a styles tab. Up here at the top, I've got my brand fonts and my brand color, so I can change this to my brand fonts with the click of a button. I can change it to my brand colors at the click of a button. Now it's not going to change the background photo, but it will change everything else. If I wanted to try something completely different, I could click one of these color palettes and try something there, like this. You can right click and detach image and then put something else back there, or just let the color picker choose. So it's pretty cool. Let me go to combinations here, right? Like those are some interesting colors. I don't know that I like the fonts. It's not going to read well. You could change to other fonts. Oh, here's Hammersmith. But anyway, you can see how styles work. Been trying to use a square picture, then place a ring around it in Canva but it just puts a circle dot and not a round frame around it. You want an image, you want a circle around it, but all you're getting is this. The first thing is that you can take a circle shape just like this and make it have a border. And so up here at the top, what you do is you just take the border style right next to the color and you are going to click this. And then you can change the border weight to be the size that you want. So let's just say you want it to be this size. All right, so now you've got a circle with a border. And now you can go to the gray color and there is a transparent option.
Sorry, what?
There is a transparent option and it will turn that circle into a circle border like this. Now, of course, you're still going to have those rounded edges. So if you want a picture to be circle, then what you would do instead is actually search for frame. And there's going to be a frame image like this. And so then you can put it into the frame and it will make it a circle. I'm going to send this to the back. And then you can put your newly made circle border right on top. You see? And so now you've got a circle with a thick outside border. I can actually change this to be a square. I can change it just like that. If I click shape up here, I can change this now to be a triangle. I can change this to be a star. I can change it to be an arrow. I've got a saying. I've had this saying for a very long time. And the saying is that every expert was once a beginner. You don't know what you don't know. And it's not really self-explanatory, but now you know. Now you can take the knowledge that you learned today and apply it in future designs. I love creating fun things in Canva. I'm really passionate about helping specifically YouTubers improve their YouTube channel, but most of my content will help everyone. I will go back to the wheel of features and click spin and see what's there. Oh, this one's a fun one. What you can do in the file section is you can
Do you know how I say this word?
import your own photos for thumbnails. You could import your own videos to put your B-roll or text overlays or other animations. Another thing that you can do with this files button is you can do something called show rulers and guides, which will show you rulers and you can left click and slide down guides to help you align your thumbnail. I really only mainly use those for banners and end cards on videos. And I'm going to show my age here. Oh man, I'm going to show my age because my brain just went out the window. Something that you need to know that's going to help you on YouTube is that you can find and replace words. So let's say that there was a bunch of words where on the thumbnails I use the word shocking, and instead of the word shocking, I type it there. I want to replace it with amazing. And then I can replace the one or I could replace them all. And this is really, really helpful when you've got a lot of pages and you've used the wrong word, or maybe you misspelled a word and you need to change a whole bunch of pages with the words. I love that feature. Next, what you're going to watch is something that is on the screen. I'm going to put something on one side that YouTube thinks you should watch, and I'm going to put something on the other side that I think you should watch. I'll see you next time. Bye.